Hello creative cooks, welcome back to another episode of Creative Phebe Cooks. I'm your host Phoebe, and today we will be making 3 cozy winter beverages to help elevate our moods this winter. They include golden milk latte, moringa latte, and hot chocolate, which are all made with fresh, warm, and gut-friendly ingredients to taste great while supporting our overall well-being. I wonder which one will be your favorite. One of these beverages requires only 3 ingredients, so watch till the end to make note of that because it's so heartwarming. I'll mention a few of my milk-based recommendations that you can use to make these recipes later on in this video. And with that, I'm starting to crave some golden milk latte on this cold winter day. So, let's make some and start cooking in ASMR mode. Enjoy! For the golden milk latte, you can make it in 2 different ways as you would see on the blog. You can make it half and half with water and milk or fully with milk. With milk it's actually a lot more, it has a lot more body to it, but with water and milk it's a little bit thinner. So I'll leave the choice up to you. Whichever you choose, I bet it will taste great. For each of these beverages, I'll be using the cashew milk we made last week to make them taste extra yummy. You may use any whole or plant-based milk of your choice. If you fancy the idea of making your own batch of plant-based milk, whether it's your first time or umpteenth time, I've included my recipe links below for cashew and almond milk with voiceover to guide you through the processes. Coconut milk will work superbly, especially for the hot chocolate, and you will find that recipe in my cookbook, Eat Joyfully, which you can order right away with a link below. Next we have moringa latte, which is a simple 3-ingredient latte recipe. Moringa is quite an earthy and grassy herb that is used for many medicinal purposes and herbal purposes. And I like to call this particular latte the nighty night latte because it's just right before bedtime. Moringa powder has quite an acquired taste. I definitely suggest that you get it from a very recommendable vendor. This powder was given to me by my mom, who turned the moringa leaves into moringa powder. I'm so glad I didn't have to do that process, so thank you so much, mommy. Moringa is also known as never die, so be sure to do your research on this and leave any comments or recommendations you have in the comment section below for other viewers who would love to know the right place to get a good moringa powder from so you can make some moringa latte. I hope you enjoy this one. Next, we have hot chocolate. Some like it hot, some like it thick, but this one is velvety, thick, warm, and plant-based, which is perfect for a slumber party, a game night, or honestly, a chill time by the fireplace with a good book. So, if you really like hot chocolate, I think this would work out for you. If you want it a little bit spicy, you may add some chili flakes on it. That's, whatever works for you. I hope you enjoyed this one. As always, you may find the full written recipes for each of these cozy beverages on the blog at creativephoebe.com. And yep, the links are included in the description box below. Be sure to check out the notes section especially for any of the recipes to help you make recipe adjustments suited to your taste, and of course, share a cozy drink with a loved one.